Welcome to Curve Nova 2, the home of confidence, beauty, and inspiring digital creators. Today, we're exploring the story of Salome Muñoz, a rising curvy model and social media influencer whose journey reflects the evolution of modern beauty standards. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin. Born on November 6, 1997, Salome Muñoz comes from a rich multicultural background, with her father believed to be Spanish and her mother Portuguese. Growing up between cultures shaped her expressive personality, and she comfortably speaks both English and Spanish. Although some details differ on whether she spent her early years in the United States or Belgium, her lifestyle and career eventually aligned with Western fashion and social media culture. Salome first appeared online in her teen years, posting casual lifestyle photos that slowly evolved into bold, confident content. As she embraced her natural curves, her audience grew rapidly, resonating with her message of body positivity at a time when social media celebrated narrow beauty standards. Her presence became a refreshing shift, inspiring countless followers who admired her self-love and authenticity. Over the years, Salome has built an impressive digital platform with millions of followers. She models fashion, swimwear, beauty, and travel content, frequently collaborating with brands that support inclusive sizing and modern, trend-forward style. Her aesthetic blends femininity, boldness, and unapologetic confidence, always highlighting her natural figure. Despite her popularity, Salome keeps her personal life away from the spotlight. She rarely shares details about relationships and avoids unnecessary controversy, choosing instead to focus on creativity, self-growth, and her expanding career. While her exact net worth isn't publicly confirmed, her income primarily comes from modeling, brand partnerships, and social media monetization. Today, Salome Muñoz stands as a symbol of self-acceptance and empowered femininity. Her journey reflects the rapidly changing world of fashion, one that finally celebrates real bodies, real confidence, and real representation. She continues to inspire millions with her authenticity, creativity, and fearless presence. Thank you for watching Curve Nova 2. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.